Ayan oh, may dala si Agoy-Agoy para sa kanyang tatay oh.
What do you got?
For tatay ka no.
Look at CJ.
CJ.
Whoa, what do we have here? Whoa.
It's banana. This is that's leftovers for Agoy-Agoy. That's yours, babe. That's yours, the big one. That's Agoy-Agoy.
This one's leftovers.
Yeah, that's leftovers. This is yours.
Oh, okay.
That's yours. Yeah.
Oh,
Wait, that's daddy. This is yours. Oh, here. Sit down here. Uh-oh, look what CJ got. What CJ got? Naningkamot si CJ. CJ galala. Wow. Guy, you wanna mukbang? CJ, look. Ooh, yummy. Yummy.
So wrap, CJ?
Okay, sit down. Sit down here. Can I sit next to Dada? Oh. Okay. Ang daming, ano? This one is the thing, baby. CJ, you eat already. That's daddy. Come on. You eat already. Here. Okay, open. Ay, nagkauna. Huwag mo nang kainin yung food ni daddy. Kay, you already eat. Yummy. Oops! Nahulog pa ang rambutan. Nahulog ang rambutan.
What's yours, buddy?
Ah. Rambutan. Oh, ayan.
So wrap.
Rambutan. Oh, hello mga kaibigan. Oh. Ayan si Chris. Nagutom si Chris. Nagutom ang kano. You don't put a sauce. Here. Okay, buksan natin to.
Can you make me, do you have the vinegar and the other one that you can make me the sauce?
Oh, the vinegar one.
The soy and the vinegar? Toya? Toya? Is it Toya?
I make some sauce.
Awesome. Hello, Maggie Vegans. Say hi. Kain tayo.
With suka.
I want some suka too.
Suka. Ayan si Chris. Oh, nag-request mga kaibigan ng
Mommy says about this.
suka.
Mom, I know that suka. I like that.
Wait, wait.
I only like that.
A little bit tuyo. Sausaw nila.
That's a lot.
Yummy. Ayan.
I'm gonna drip on you. You gotta move over. Go back.
Don't drip your clothes. It's gonna stain.
That's good sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Here, like that. Si Shana wanna dip too. Put in the side. Or how about take this one, babe? Take this one. There you go. What, CJ?
What?
Okay, I make CJ a sauce too. Wait, CJ.
I don't think it's a sauce. I think he wants the food.
Mom, can you get me some more? Can I have some cold water?
Cold water?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay, CJ, hold on. I'll get some first. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, here. Here, CJ. Ayan,
He wants the
buyag.
whole plate.
He wants the plate. He wants the plate, mga kaibigan. Sus ko, itong mga bulilit ni Chris. Malakas buyag. At least, maano sila they are pod lovers. Mga pod lovers. Si Kano, kawawa. Kinuhaan ng pod. We got a lot of rambutan. You stop the blender.
Yeah.
Okay, magrambutan.
You want to drip on me.
Boy, careful, boy. Kaya makamancha yan. There's more here, oh. Knock on.
No, well, this is banana.
Wow. CJ, little by little, okay? Ayan, oh. Ang daming rambutan. Ayaw mo ng rambutan, na? Fresh na fresh, mga kaibigan, oh. Fresh na fresh ang rambutan. Kain tayo. So good? Oh. What do you think, Dada? Mouth is full.
It's a wrap.
Yeah, look.
Where'd you get this at?
The place where we get rambutan.
Mouth is full. It's a restaurant, Dada.
Yeah.
Like where? Like here.
Ciao. When you want, buddy? Okay. Okay. Want this?
There's one right here. That's one you opened for before.
Swallow that first.
Yeah, watch out for the seed.
He knows that. He has this before.
Yeah, this one says.
Just leave it there. I eat that. Good job. Like that. Good job, CJ. Yan, ganyan. Don't eat the seeds, ha? Only the, ano. Goy. Don't mix in that is food, Goy.
No.
Tamis. Oh, puan ba?
I didn't stay here.
Good girl, Managa.
It's
You want to open?
Is it the red, Mama?
Sarap.
It's good.
Dito sa'yo. Inubos mo na yung isa? Oh, hindi.
Mama, I remember Dada.
What?
No, we should get them
Rambutan. Ang mahal ng rambutan.
Oh yeah.
Grabe ka mahal ang rambutan.
CJ's crazy. What?
Don't eat this, Mama. I'm gonna eat that. I need some white water.
Please.
Please, thank you.
Uy!
Okay.
You just taste it. Ay no, busog-busog ito eh. They're full.
I'm getting full too.
We're gonna eat all of it. Ooh. We got to eat it.
Okay, saw mo. Sige. You will find out.
Probably tastes good. Sweet with the.
Sweet and sour.
Nothing wrong with that.
Oh, he likes it.
What?
Okay, let me try it. Let me try it. See, Jess invention.
Yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, here's napkin.
Good. Very good. Wow. Salad, Dada. Sige, balik mo dito. Hugasan natin yan. Tinikman lang yan ng konti. Tapos, ayan. Huwag mo isayang to doon. Kaya naku, mahal to.
No more left.
More what?
Want some more dipping sauce?
You have more? That is done.
We
This
have
is full.
Yeah, I'm full.
okay. Whoa. Whoa.
You can eat it later, the rest go.
I get food too.
You're full too?
Yeah.
Right there.
I want some.
You want? No, that's easy.
Yeah, you can do it.
You want one?
Yeah.
Mm. Yung matagal ka na hindi nakakain ng rambutan, mga kaibigan, oh.
You get French fries too?
They got, yeah.
Yeah.
There's one piece there.
They got one and, yeah, and the plantain.
I was gonna nap.
Mm.
What, TJ? What?
I think you don't like you.
Can you get this?
I get it.
You want this? Okay, get one. You're not gonna touch all because that's daddy's food.
What do you want?
Mm. Uy.
Nice. Were you good today?
No.
Was CJ good? No? CJ, were you bad boy?
Mm-mm-mm.
Were you bad boy?
Slow then. Swallow first.
More. More. I finished this one, Mommy.
Swallow what's in your mouth first,
Mommy.
honey. Okay, finish first. Show
Mommy.
mama.
Mommy,
Ah.
look.
Okay, finish that
Look,
first.
Mommy. That's
Oh,
mine.
oh.
You finish it.
Thank you.
finish it.
Good job. Inaantok na to sila, oh.
Again. Again. Again.
It's done. I'll put this in a container.
Like a cracked egg on your head.
Ayan, you have more boy for school, for later.
What was that, CJ? Is that cracked egg? You ever do that, babe? You go like this, and you do this.
Yeah. Just crack. And then
Busog na.
egg
Hila.
yellow.
Ayan, oh. Parang,
Yeah.
meron pa din ron tira, mga kaibigan, oh. Dami-dami din to. Ano doon? You want more?
He doesn't know what he wants. Wait for him to finish his mouthful. He's taking it out again. He's just wasting it.
Yep, he's just wasting it. He's full.
Big.
He's full. Wait. Oh yeah, finish this first. This is yours.
Oh, no. Ocean. And that's for me.
It's like, no, make me a new one.
And that's
New
for me.
one.
That's for me. That's for me.
Here, I will open you a new one.
Christiana, here.
Oh.
Wipe your hands.
Let's get you a red one.
Good.
Yeah, I got Christiana one already. Goyo. Just leave it there, babe. I put that in the container.
There.
You can air fry that later, make it crispy
Oh, yeah.
again.
That'd be good.
Yellow.
Good job. Yeah, that'll be even better.
Good job, Goy. You like it? Yummy. Yummy rambutan, ayan. May mambuti nga, nakakita kami ng rambutan
More.
kanina. More?
Okay. My favorite.
I know you love rambutan. Rambutan is the best. Oops. O ka na, mahirap ang kanyang, ano siya, balat. Yan.
I'm taking the drink.
What's that? The juice. That's a juice.
I'm taking the drink.
What's that, Chija? Ano yan? Lagay mo dito. Huwag to kay, yan na natin to. Lagay din sa air fryer mamaya. Ano doon? Sus ko, kunti lang yung kinain. Ugasan ko lang to mamaya.
Fine.
Sos, that's it na. Wala na. Hindi ka tayo. Okay. Ay, nahulog. Don't make a mess, CJ. Banat ng kain. Alright. Sige mga kaibigan, tapos na. Magligpit na kami. Ayan o, daming rambutan.